So I was recently asked a question, if Bhagavad Gita is a book of science, if science has anything to do with Bhagavad Gita. My answer was no, it's not a book that talks about biology, chemistry, physics. It's a book of philosophy, but it is definitely scientific, and this is why. Science generally means a hypothesis, which is an educated guess. Based on that, you devise an experiment with the right variables and circumstances, and you get a result. And this result is repeatable if the experiment has the right circumstances, and if repeatedly you do it, you get the repeated result, you come to a conclusion. So the Bhagavad Gita is a scientific book because it has principles from psychology to management to leadership to how to conquer your fears, what food to eat, etc., which were relevant 5,000 years ago, which are relevant today and are going to be relevant tomorrow. And that exactly has what Bhagavad Gita is and what it has kept it alive for the last 5,000 years and more. So whatever Bhagavad Gita says, you can apply it right now and you can see what Krishna says are actually true. So it is scientific, it is proven. You can come to the same conclusions as Arjuna. And that's why it's still relevant today as much as it has always been. And it just works.